Amazon Web Services recently gave me a pair of programmable IoT buttons that can be programmed to do any one of a number of different functions. Since I work a lot with high-performance computing, in particular with Altus-Flight auto-scaling high-performance computing clusters in the cloud, I thought I'd program one to start and then stop the cluster. So if I press this one here, it's my start button, it'll connect to Wi-Fi. When it's connected, it'll then flash green, which indicates a sent message to start the cluster running. You can see here the cluster is currently being created. If I click on it, you can see it's running through a number of different steps to set up my cluster. So the cluster takes a few minutes to start up, so at this point I recommend getting a coffee. My stack is now complete, and under outputs I can find the IP address, username and web address of my HPC cluster. I can then log in. So now I'm at my cluster and I can grab some software. In this case, a version of a Hello World bit of HPC software using the MPI library to run the same bit of software on multiple nodes, have them all talk to each other, and I will then compile that software and then I can run that. So I've submitted my job here and I can check on the status of my job, and that's going to take a couple of minutes to run. So I check again, that's now run. I can check my output, and you can see from a bunch of different processes it's printed some messages and calculated some numbers, as we often do with high performance computers. Very simple case, but there you go. And now if I just push my, finish with that, so if I just push my stop button now, off screen, and it's just flashing white to connect Wi-Fi, and it's flashed green, which means it sent its message to stop my cluster. And now if I check, you can see it is deleting. That's it.